classmates and teachers, today we are going to make a beautiful dessert. That dessert is the brownie. To make your brownie, we are going to need 1/3 of olive oil, 1/3 of milk, 1 punch mix, 1 egg, and to my preference, walnuts. The materials to mix the ingredients are the mixer, spatula, a meter cup, and the cups. Come with me. We're going to prepare the oven. To prepare the oven, we're going to put it to 350. And the time is going to be off 50. Now, let's go to the mix. Now we're going to put the mix punch. Have the help of my brother Eldon.
Everyone, okay. So what do we have to do?
We're going to need to put this in here.
What are we going to do now?
We're going to put the milk. Olive oil.
Grab these.
Okay.
I'm going to help you again. There you go.
Now we.
Okay. Now you can mix. Now we have to put the egg. Then you can mix right now.
Thank you. We're going to put it. Whoa. This is a profession of us.
You have to break it. Remember. Okay.
Now we got they're all ready. The meats. We're going to use these to put it. But first, we're going to put it olive oil. We're going now that is already the oil. We're going to put it all the meat. Now we're going to put it in here. We're going to, after 10 minutes, we're going to take it out. Finally, this is the result. Now you can enjoy.